Their identity is different than the Nityasiddhas. Radharani, it's a difference in identity in terms of Shakti. Radharani is Nityasiddha. But she's Swarup Shakti. We will become Sadhana Siddha, but we're Jiva Shakti. We don't become Swarup Shakti. Krishna is Swarup Shakti. But it's like, when you sit down and take prasadam in the Jagannath Mandir, there are rich people, poor people, all kinds of people there. And no one worries about that. Everyone's taking prasad. Well, similarly, in the spiritual world, everyone's serving Krishna. And they're blissful and happy and satisfied in their seva. No one's thinking, oh, you're not a good servant because you're a Jiva Shakti. You're the flower garland you made for Krishna. It can't be as good as Sarup Shakti. No, it's not like that.
This discrimination is not there.
No. There's hierarchy and there's a group leader, there's some hierarchies, but it's all transcendental. That everyone is blissful. The nature of the spiritual world is everyone's blissful. Everyone's fully satisfied in their seva and their position and their loving relationship with Krishna. There's no us and them, big and small, haves and have-nots, fortunate, unfortunate, rich and poor. There it's only love, and everyone's body is only made of love. There's no bones there. Spiritual bodies have no bones. No brains, no bones. Only love. It's made of Prem Sarup. So you're a Jiva Shakti Prem Sarup. It's not understood.
Krishna is already deriving pleasure from his loving reciprocation with his Sarup Shakti. So what is the purpose of Tatastha Shakti, Maharaj? I mean, he already has Sarup Shakti.
He has unlimited, Krishna has unlimited ability to enjoy. So all of Krishna's parts and parcels, irregardless of their energetic designation, are meant to serve him. The smallest particle of Krishna's existence is called Jiva Shakti. And the Jiva Shakti's Srup Lakshana, primary characteristic of the Jiva Shakti and of all the Shaktis of Krishna is Krishna or Nityadas. Radharani is Swarup Shakti. Her primary characteristic is Krishna or Nityadas. We are Jiva Shakti. Our primary characteristic is Jiva Krishna or Nityadas. Right?
Once I heard from a Vaishnava that he said that Krishna created this world and we are existing because he cannot perform his pastimes as a savior in the Golok Dham because there are no demons or death or old age or such calamities. So that is also an important feature or facet of his personality. So this.
Everything is Krishna's lila. It's called Shristi lila. Shristi Pralaya.
Yeah.
It's all Krishna lila.
Although
he didn't create it. That's the first. This word creation doesn't work. Nitya means it's just.
Eternally exists.
Who created Krishna? Krishna is the absolute truth. It's Shakti Matur. Shakti Matur Abheda. There's no difference between a Shakti and a Shaktiman. So Krishna, all his energies are eternal. The material world, every time factor, the jivas, the gopis, everyone's eternal. Oh, Krishna created this material world because he wanted to be the savior. That's subjective. That's someone's subjective viewpoint. When did he create it? He was sitting around playing his flute one day and said, I'm really tired of all this flute playing and all. I think I'm going to make another world called the material world. I want to do this. What year was that created? Can you tell me when the material world was created? This is just some kind of romantic type romantic preaching. It's not tattva. Krishna, Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo, Krishna says in Gita, chapter 10, verse 8, Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo, Mata Savam Pravardate, Iti Matva Bhajanti Ma Buddha Bhava Samvita. Says, from me everything comes. I am the source of everything. Everything is Mayam Tatamidam Sarvam Jagat Avyaktamurtina. Chapter 9, verse 4 of Bhagavad Gita. Everything is inside of me, and at the same time, everything is outside of me. Everything. Radharani is inside, Radharani is outside. The material world is inside, the material world is outside. The jiva is inside, the jiva is outside. Now, where's the time of creation here?
This world is wrong, actually.
Is everything is inside of Krishna? Something. I think now I'm going to create an appendix because I have so many other things. I created a pancreas, I created a heart and liver, but now I want to make appendix means extra thing. Now I make one more thing. After 10 years, I made this new thing. I added that here, appendix. So I had all these things. Oh, now I create this new thing, material world. So I be Savior. Lord Chaitanya is Nitya. He didn't appear 500 years ago. He wasn't in a concept. He wasn't conceptual for millions of years. And then Lord Krishna said, I think I'll become Lord Chaitanya. Lord Chaitanya is eternally existing. It's all this is Nitya. Therefore, inconceivable.